No wasted motion, no room for error, just pure satisfaction from factory machines and ingenious tools. If you like that, you've come to the right video. This machine's out here giving every stick an identity crisis. Congratulations, you're now officially a chopstick. This tree thought it was putting down roots, until the claw machine said, "Not today, buddy." Looks like Mother Nature just got a surprise Uber ride. From corn cobs to cow cuisine, this machine don't play. It's like a 5-star chef for farm animals. Today's special, gourmet pellet surprise. This nail's having a hot day at the spa, complete with a hammer massage, old school DIY, one spark, one smack at a time. This machine's got barbershop energy on beast mode. Pat vertical chainsaw zooms along the tree line like a ninja with a vendetta against branches. 1 second it's there, the next, poof, branches gone. This isn't just a coil, it's a glowing, molten hot slinky in the making. The machine spins like it's baking a lava pretzel. Well dang, this thing makes straighter lines than my uncle at a sobriety test. Even the corn must be blushing at how perfect these rows are. Man, this road cutter slices through asphalt smoother than a hot knife through butter. This stump grinder chews up roots like a hungry beaver on steroids. This brick cutting machine handles clay with precision that puts artisans to shame. Each slice comes out perfect and effortless. This high-tech cutting machine works with surgical precision. It makes metal look as easy to slice as a loaf of bread. This tiny bulb-making machine crafts each piece like it's blowing delicate glass art. Even the light inside seems impressed by the precision. This spring-making machine twists metal like it's playing with spaghetti. Every coil comes out perfect, ready to bounce into action. This landscaping trimmer shapes trees like a barber giving the perfect haircut. Even the bushes seem to stand taller after the trim. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to XYZ Technology for more satisfying content.
Don't just watch, join the crew. Like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content every day. Trust me, the best is yet to come. See you in the next video.